Good morning riders. Today I'm going to install this 3S Plus Sena Bluetooth for my LS2 helmet. This is LS2 Storm model and we are going to fix Sena into this. I'll show you what all comes in the box. These stickers are both for microphone as well as for earphones, and this particular helmet is from LS2. It is FF800. Very light, very functional helmet. It has got two airflows, one here and one here from these. Good quality helmet. So this is 3S Plus from Sena. This is the whole thing which we will be using it. This is the charging socket. These are the speakers. This is the mic. This will go to this mic. It will connect like this. And this unit will come out of the helmet on the side to control everything. And to control the mic, to fix the mics and speaker, these are the stickers. Here it is. And this is the helmet. And here is Manoj.
Hi.
Introduce yourself, Manoj.
Hi, I am Manoj from Soul Riders, proprietor of Soul Riders, and here today we are getting a Bluetooth installed on an LS2 helmet.
Which location you are?
We are in HRBR layout, Kamalani.
Okay. So people can reach out to you by searching Soul Riders on Google.
Sure.
Okay. Let's go ahead. Remove the internal padding. So these are the red ones, are the one which get stuck on the side.
The speaker gets slot.
Yeah, so there is a space for speakers. There is a slot already here on both the sides. You have to make sure that the control unit does not obstruct with this. So you have to find a proper location.
You can get it over here.
So since this is a visor control,
Yes.
sun visor, we have to make sure that it doesn't obstruct the control of it.
Getting installed it over here would be quite behind.
Yeah.
So I think this is the right option. Yeah, for you.
Okay, so it will fix here.
Yes.
Okay. So now we are fixing the Velcro behind the speakers. The other side will be fixed inside the helmet where there is a slot. Here in the given slot, Manoj has just put the Velcro where the speaker will not be fixed. We'll do the same thing on the other side as well. Perfectly fits into the slot. Speaker is done, one side. He's routing the cable which goes to the other speaker. So here we are putting the mic. and the other speaker is fixed. We are placing the mic in such a way that it does not obstruct while wearing the helmet, and also we have to be careful about the wind blast coming when you open the front of the helmet to let the wind in. It should not obstruct the mic. So we have fixed it inside. This is right in the middle, but we are not doing it because this is little, the slope is there, and down also we can't put it because we have extra chin guard here. So we have put it in such a way that this sticker is on the flat surface and it doesn't come out easily. So we have put it in such a way that it is merging with the grey background, and it's very convenient to operate in the front. Speaker installed. We are putting padding back to the helmet.
We are going to install back the padding inside. The reason why we have got this a different portion was it would not obstruct with the wiring, and we could not cut any of the slot over here for the wiring to come out. So here it is very easily to come out, and it's very convenient. So make sure while putting the padding, wire doesn't get cut.
And there is no structural changes into the helmet.
Yes, exactly.
Perfect. This is it, the final outcome of the LS2 installation. You can hardly make out that it has been installed. Here is the control unit, which I try to put it onto the grayish background so that it's not easily visible. So it helps when you're parking the bike and locking the helmet. It's not easily visible for anybody to kind of try to steal. And there is absolutely nothing. It's all clean from all sides. As you can see, I'll show you from inside also. There is no wire visible, all in the background. So it has got a charging cable. So let me show you where I put the charging cable. So just behind this, we have routed it. You just take it out. This is a good thing that it now comes with Type C charging. So once you charge, just tuck it behind the helmet padding, and here you go. And where is the mic? You can see the mic as well. It's just here. This is kind of center, but I put a little bit on the side so that when you're riding and there is a space for hair to come. If I open this is just behind here. So I put this mic a little bit on the side so that the wind blast doesn't hit directly to the mic. Rest all neat and clean, absolutely nothing. This is the final thing. You just press them for 1 second and it starts.
Hello. The battery level is high.
So it tells you the battery status, and it's get connected. I've connected both my mobile phone with this, so you can connect 2 mobile phone simultaneously.
Device connected.
Yeah, so the second one just got connected, so you have to wait for it. To switch it off, simultaneously press plus and minus,
Goodbye.
and it says goodbye. One important thing that this Sena Bluetooth device also has got intercom facility. Either you can connect another Sena with it, the range is 400 meter, or it has got a mesh intercom where you can connect with non-Sena Bluetooth devices as well. The range is approximately 400 meter as per the manual. Further detail you can check it on the manual which comes along with it, but for detailed operation and installation and connectivity you have to download the manual online, user manual online, which I will share the link at the end of this video. Thank you. When you are charging, this red indication will come, and once fully charged this will turn into blue.